In this video, I'll show you how to create a Revolut business account. Perfect for freelancers, startups, or small businesses looking for smart international banking. Start by downloading the Revolut app or visiting Revolut.com. Tap or click Business, then select Open a Business Account. You'll need your company details, including business name, address, registration number, and information about the company's beneficial owners. Next, verify your identity by uploading documents like your ID and proof of address. You may also need to provide business registration documents. Once approved, your Revolut business account is ready. You can instantly start sending money, managing multiple currencies, setting up team cards, and more. It's fast, digital, and ideal for businesses that work globally. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more finance tips and Revolut tutorials.